Hello everyone. I want to do a little ICAD update. You know that I have been making a lot of my ICADs in live streams with Lisa and on Sunday. But I just thought that once a week or so I am going to just show you what I've done and then I'll do that day's video. So this is the first almost week of ICADS that I did. This was June 1st. And if you're not familiar with this project, I will link to Daisy Yellow's site, and the hashtag will be in the description box, all those kinds of things. You can use index cards that are from Rolodex size to 4x6. The whole point is to do small art. So that was the 1st of June. This one is the 2nd of June, and I did decide that what I'm going to do is to make my ICADs all with painty paper and then decorated. Now that may change. I may, decide I want to do something different. But for now, I'm just going to use my painting papers as a background on the ICAD and then do my doodles on the top of them. Oh, I'm sorry. That was the 3rd. This is the 4th. And this one's from June 5th. And sometimes the painted paper gives me an idea of what I want it to look like, and sometimes it doesn't. So this one I did on Sunday's live stream. Really like how it came out. And now today I am going to do this is the 6th. I'm going to do the one for the 7th. Let me bring it back out just a little bit. I don't want to try to have to stay in camera the whole time. I'll show you how I'm doing this. I am just choosing a piece of my painty paper, like this one. I have my index cards. They're not very heavy. That's one of the things I really don't like about ICADS. And that's one of the reasons why I have been adding the painty paper. I find the substrate to be way too thin to work on. Those index cards used to have some body to them. They don't anymore. And okay, fall over. I have been using my brayer to brayer this down, which I kind of find works real well. Now I have lots and lots of different painty papers, so I may or may not go ahead and use the rest of this piece. We'll see. I likely will though, because I can get another few cards out of it, and the background is different because of how I paint my papers. Okay, I'll probably just get to doodling here, and I'll be back in a few minutes to talk to you about what I've done. Okay, guys, that is my ICAD for June 7th. And that is our first week of ICADS. 6, 7, 20, 21. Oh, that's brown, not black. No wonder it looked funny on there. Let me bring you in. When I'm live, I will be doing my ICADS live with Lisa on Tuesdays and Thursdays and on Sunday. The other days, I'm not going to show them off every day. I'll try to give you an update about once a week, and I hope you'll enjoy coming along. This is something from Daisy Yellow. It's something she's been doing for, I guess, about 11 years now, I think is what I read. And I will definitely put a link to her blog in the description box below. One way or another, I hope you enjoy this little bit of tiny art. And let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and figure out what's next for the rest of the day. To imagine is everything. To know is nothing at all. Anatole France. This is from 1001 Ways to Creativity. And guys, I hope you go have fun and make some art. Bye-bye.